Hello? Can you guys hear me now? Welcome back to Expert Crypto. Sorry for the audio issues. We are going to get into today's video. It does happen sometimes. We do have some audio issues, but you want to know what? We are going to be able to make a lot of gains today. We're going to be able to do. All right, there we go. Okay, we're good. We're good. All right, so let's get into today's video. All right, let's get into it. We're going to make a lot of gains today, okay? I want every single one of you guys to be happy, be prepared, hit that like button. We're going to be probably around 20 to 30% plus on our portfolios today. At least if you guys hit that like button, okay? You guys got to hit that like button. You guys got to smash it. But like I said, we had a great night last night. I was up very late. I was definitely paying attention. I put in some leverage trades. If you guys followed my leverage trades, you guys would be up quite a lot right now. I'm just throwing that out there. Do not leverage trade. Do not leverage trade, okay, if you guys are new. And we're going to be going over every single thing that you guys need to know, what's important, what's going on. I'm going to be following this very closely throughout the day. There's no reason for me not to. So let's get into it, guys. Let's get into it first of all. So Bitcoin had a spike yesterday. It's not like this was not predicted. We knew this was going to happen. We knew that it was just a matter of time before Bitcoin hit the long spike. A lot of people were shorting it. A lot of idiots thought that this was going to go down. They think there's going to be a double dip. They think it's going to go back to 42. A lot of people are still like, it's going back to 42, man. And there's really no evidence, guys. Every single graph that you will look at, every single graph that you will see is not correct, guys. This is a different time we live in crypto. It's like you guys are looking at a graph of how many you're watching. So you're watching kids play at a playground or whatever. You're watching kids play at a playground every single day, and you think you can predict them, but then all of a sudden there's these kids and they're like 40 years older and they're doing a lot of different things. That's basically what's happening with this institutional money. You guys can't fully predict the market. It's not going to happen, but you could use news and information to predict it. Technical analysis is stupid. Technical analysis is not stupid, but it's not as useful as it once was back in the day for crypto. Everything is based off of news, guys. Everything, okay? And with Bitcoin, what made it spike? Well, the news was it was on a dip, and you want to know what happened? People bought it, okay? People bought the dip. People bought the dip, guys. Look at this breakout we had. Look at, I kind of need it to stay above this. I don't see it falling below this line right here. And this is a very, very good indicator for you guys to probably expect some bullish territory. Look how far we broke out of this, guys. This is looking great. We're looking amazing. All right, so we really have to pay attention to a lot of cryptos. We had a lot of them go up today. I'm going to go over a few of them here, and we got a lot of buying opportunities. We got a lot of selling opportunities as well. I know a lot of you guys are in profit right now. It's time to sell a little bit, but we'll see. We'll see throughout the day what we're going to sell. I'm probably looking to sell around 10% of my positions or 20% of my positions. I did leverage trade a lot of the farm, and I did cash that out, so I'm going to be buying quite a lot today. So I don't want to talk about that too much, but I will tell you guys what I'm buying. So we did have Bitcoin almost touch 54, I think. Yeah, it did touch 54 almost for a little bit. So we're using this 53 support level right now. I'm going to go drop a little support level in there. We're going to make a few support levels today. There's not much you guys need to worry about, to be honest, with this Bitcoin referendum that we're going through. Put one right there. Yeah, I would say that's a good support. 53 is a good support level right now. We've stayed above 53 for the past couple hours, for the past 5 or 6 hours, and it is looking good. I don't want to hear any negative comments, guys. We're going pretty well right now. Okay, all of these turned into BTS UCD. I don't know why they did that, but it's fine. All right, so we're going to be going over a few of these ecosystems. I'm going to tell you what I predict. And guys, look at Bitcoin's outperforming Ethereum today. We haven't seen that in quite a while. That's a very big move up. You guys are going to see these alts explode upwards. They're going to absolutely explode because Bitcoin's outperforming these altcoins. We know that Bitcoin dominance right now is not doing the best. And we really do see exactly this catching up. We see all these altcoins catching up to Bitcoin, or at least the majority of them. I'm trying to move away from Coinbase. Can I know where I should start trading altcoins? Can't find the perfect platform. I would use a multitude, guys. If you guys are looking for a platform, I would really recommend maybe PancakeSwap or PancakeSwap. I feel like is good for beginners. Yeah, I would say PancakeSwap. There's low fees on there, right? Yeah, or Binance. All right, so we have BNB up to $500, and there's a couple things I want to talk about. We're going to talk about the most important things right now. Harmony, guys. What happened with Harmony? Why is it pumping? People are realizing it's undervalued. People are finally catching on, guys. I told you they would. It was just a matter of time. I've been a Harmony bull for the past couple of months, 3 months. We've been through a drought, and this chart is looking absolutely fantastic. What a time to be alive, guys. Look at this. Look at this explosion, guys. Look at this explosion, all right? We had a lot of whales participating in this. You guys see the volume didn't go up too much. Did not go up too much. The whales just bought. The whales just bought. I was included on this buy. I bought a lot of Harmony after I finished one of my trades, and now I'm looking up 30% on that. So we do love Harmony. I do see that continuing to rise. It's extremely undervalued. I do have a few articles on Harmony that I'm going to be showing you guys. They are really just very undervalued right now. And I got to show you guys this real quick. I am bullish today, guys. We are looking very bullish. I do not see this extra dip coming into play. We'll have to see, though. All right, so first of all, Harmony's transaction time, guys. Harmony's transaction time. They really should be valued at a lot more, not $400, guys, but that's how much their transaction fees cost now. They're not going to be $400, but they're probably going to be 10 to 20x. I've been saying this for a while, especially when we were at the bottom of the dip for them. I really did acquire quite a lot of Harmony, and here's their transactions, guys. Look how much their transactions have grown for Harmony. Look at this, guys. We have had a 3 or 4x just from their transaction growth. All right, we were sitting around 1,500 or 15. We were saying around 1.5 million. Now we're at 3 million. That was around a 2x in the matter of probably a month or two. And that's great to see. That's probably going to result in their price going up 1 to 2x at the minimum. But I really feel like Harmony is slept on. Not a lot of people know too much about Harmony. They are just mainly into these other coins. They kind of forget that this one existed. It kind of was a sleeper, guys. Now that it's up 40% today, we're going to see a lot of people talking about Harmony. Right, and I'm gonna get into Matic next. We did buy some Matic. I love Matic, and you guys know Matic is one of my go-tos. I would say. I kind of slept on them in the beginning. I am up over 10x, but I could have been up a lot more. I did sell some off that I probably shouldn't have. But I do see them continuing to pump. Their ecosystem is absolutely fantastic. I'll go over their ecosystem and show you guys why they are indeed undervalued. All right, so here's their ecosystem, right? They have there's their wallets, there's their dev tools, and there's their oracles. You guys can take a screenshot of that. Those are some pretty great companies that they're involved with. And I'm going to go through this Twitter thread as well. So basically, this guy was able to post every single thing that Harmony has, or Polygon has coming out. They're going to be curated about the original industry through Chainlink, guys. That's going to be very big. They're going to have wallets and asset management applications that allow individuals and businesses to safely secure their assets. Kind of sounds like XRP, guys. Think about that. If they can somehow be like XRP in a little bit of a short term, that would be very good. They do have potential. I have been looking into it. They just need to get more network capabilities on their app, which wouldn't be too hard of a thing to accomplish. And we were going over FTM as well. I'm going to finish Harmony there. I mean, Matic there. Matic and Harmony, I'm still bullish on. They're going to hit around a 2 to a 3x very quickly. You guys look at their market cap. They're not even over 10 billion. Doesn't make sense why some of these companies are over 10 billion. And you guys got Matic and one sitting under 3 billion, okay? So we're going to go over FTM as well. FTM is in Solana's ecosystem. I'm very bullish on them. I've been talking about them for quite a while, guys, quite a while. And I bought a lot of them off this dip, guys. They were down around 40%, I believe, from this dip. Let's see. Yeah, they were down bad, guys, and they're just recovering right now, and I feel like they are very, very undervalued. You guys will see them take off. They have a great tokenomics right here, guys. We have 80% in circulating supply, and they are in the DeFi solutions type of, I guess, sector, and they are accomplishing actual goals, actual revenue, and I really do see them being able to take off very easily. There's no reason that they shouldn't, and that's why you guys see them up so much today. And I have talked about waves quite a bit. Not too much. I don't have the heaviest position into them, but I know some of you guys probably do. At least a few of you guys. It is in the Solana ecosystem. That's why I am bullish on them. Anything in the Solana ecosystem, you guys are going to see pump, unless it's a terrible project. But Waves is really a well-built project. There's a lot of these smart contracts that need to be implemented into these ecosystems. And because it's in the Solana ecosystem, it's really going to pump off. And I do see it probably going up 100 to 200% in the short term. We just need Bitcoin to hold above around 51, 52, 53. And if it keeps going up, all of our prices are going to be going up very quickly. I just want to throw that out there. Yeah, I do like Waves though. I am invested, not the largest position, guys, not the largest. I wish I put in more because they really did pump these past couple days. I mean, look at these dips though, guys. Look at these buying opportunities. You guys see these dips. This is why you need to have cash on hand. This is why you need to have stable coins on hand. These are just perfect buying opportunities, guys. You would be up around, I mean, you're not going to hit the bottom of the dip every single time. You guys would be up over 50% if you guys hit the bottom of that dip. And we're going to talk about AR Arweave. This one still has around a 5x left to go. I feel like this is probably going to be one of the more bullish ones because it's going to be affected by the Bitcoin price, guys. Bitcoin's undervalued right now, and Ethereum's undervalued right now, and it's going to be storing Bitcoin and Ethereum. I've went over them in the past couple of videos. I'm extremely bullish on them, and for a high cap at least, I really do like to see this one as a large position in my portfolio. I really do see them being able to pull off a 5x or even a 10x in the next 2 to 3 months, just because of what they're doing. They're holding these people's Bitcoin and Ethereum safely, and that needs to be happening. Okay, we need to have people being able to do that, so more people get into the industry, because some people are afraid, guys. They want more insurance on their coins. They want to know that they're safe, they're secure, and this is what Arweave does, and that's their use case. Basically, they do a little bit more, but I mean, that's the main thing that they do. You guys see this takeoff right here. We're up around 50% in the past like two or 3 days with them, and I see this continuing. They're going to break all-time highs just in a moment here. We will probably see that today or tomorrow. All right, so yeah, we do see Theta's up today, KSM's up today. I am big fan of KSM. Theta is also a very great high cap to hold. I am a little bit more into KSM, as I believe KSM is a lot more undervalued than Theta is. I think Theta really is solving a lot of problems, but I do see KSM having more gains than them. So basically, these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these top 6 right now, in my opinion, are going to be some of my favorite high caps. I'll go over a few more. So RSR, it's pushing up, guys. It finally is pushing up. We saw it down for quite a while. It kind of really did take a dip, but now we're going to be almost up on the week. We're going to see about that. We do like RSR, and also the graph. The graph is in the Solana ecosystem. I am bullish on anything in the Solana ecosystem that's a high cap or a mid cap. So I do like the graph, and I do see them continuing to push up, probably a 2x for them. We got Thorchain as well up today. Thorchain is one of those that I picked out there in the DEX ecosystem, I guess you could say, and the DEX ecosystem needs some help. We really do like to see that one up, and we're going to go over some mid caps, guys. I know you guys want to see these mid caps. Solana kind of quit pumping. There's a little bit of a sell-off, but we're going to see that come back and pump up some more, I believe, in the next day or two. Yeah, 7% for Bitcoin, guys. What a night! What a night! A lot of doubters, a lot of haters, and we're going, guys. We're going. Chainlink's up. VeChain's up, guys. We got VeChain up. That's great to see. Basically, everything's gonna be up today, guys. Luna kind of sold off a little bit, but we'll see that pump up here. For sure, very undervalued. You have a position on Chili's. I'm not the biggest fan of Chili's. I'll show you guys why. Anyone that's invested into these NFT companies right now, you have to understand, we don't know how far these collectibles and NFTs are really going to go. They have their own market, and they just got implemented into crypto, and they got a lot of hype, guys. I did not think that they were going to hype up this much, but they did. It wasn't the best type of scenario, in my opinion. I really wish they wouldn't have hyped up this much, because I really do think they're overvalued from where they're at right now. The market cap on Chili's, I do not see it going over 5 billion or by the end of the bull run, but I could be wrong. But when a bear market happens, when a dip happens, you guys are going to see Chili's sell off very, very fast. I mean, guys, look at this sell off. People do not have really much faith in these NFT collectibles. There was around like a 50% sell off at some points. And it is reaccumulating. I do think it'll reaccumulate, but myself, I do think that we've hit almost around the all-time highs for a lot of these NFT companies that are already high caps. Chili's, Decentraland, or Mana. Yeah, but I do think that is a possible thing. All right, we'll go over some HDR right now. HDR pumped, guys. HDR pumped. We're up 20% on HDR, and that's going to continue. I do have a few things to show you about HDR. All right, so here is HDR's HDR versus Solana, Ethereum, Binance, Smart Chain, Polkadot, Cardano, and Tron. Look how many transactions they could do per second. We have Solana in first. This is what you guys are seeing, but their average transaction fee is free, and they are going to upgrade their transactions per second. All right, they are trying to compete with a lot of these other companies and get ahead of them. But I mean, look how slow Ethereum, Polkadot, Cardano, and Tron are compared to Solana and Hather. Okay, you guys got to see this. And transactions to date, they only have 64,000. They just haven't been recognized just yet, guys. They really haven't. And their total coin supply, yeah, it's good. But I mean, look at for 250 million. Why aren't they at over 5 billion? Why aren't they at 10 billion? I don't understand, guys. I really do not understand. It does not make much sense to me to see them still at or where they are right now. They really deserve to be at least 2 or 3 billion in the short term. Does not really make too much sense. I'm very bullish on them. I mean, if you guys just look at the transaction latency too, no one else has an instant one like they do. That's not the biggest thing that you need to have, but this is looking very bullish comparing them to every single other transaction thing, because you guys have to be doing that. Why is this one better? And I really do see this one pumping up. There's no doubt in my mind. It's one of my largest bags that I have been accumulating. I really do find them undervalued. So there's HDR for you guys. Solana, yeah, I'll go over Solana too. Make sure to subscribe, guys. Make sure to hit the like button. We did do good, guys. We did do good. All right, so Solana, we saw this run up, And I ended up telling you guys to buy it before and to buy through BTC and to sell around 100% when we were up that. And I did that only because I knew that there was going to be a price, a little price sell-off. Every time we see these run-ups, these 100% run-ups, these 80% run-ups, especially during a dip, guys, especially during a dip, there's going to be a little bit of a sell-off. When they go up that high. If they're only up like 20 or 30%, they'll probably continue to pump. But Solana really did pop off, guys, and we saw a little bit of a sell-off or a little of a reaccumulation zone. And I feel like it's still going to be popping off for the next week. But I would really try and get your price target in there and get your price target ready to sell some Solana, just because it's going to be reaccumulating soon, and there's not going to be too much more growth compared to some of these other plays that I think. Okay, this is my opinion, but I am happy that I was up a decent amount on this one, and you guys should be too. Let me show you their network too. All right, here's Solana's ecosystem. Why am I bullish? Wow, look at their DeFi ecosystem, guys. They're gonna have over a $50 billion market cap probably by the end of this year. If Bitcoin keeps growing. Look at that DeFi ecosystem. We see Luna in there as well, and Terra in there as well. But there's a lot of other good projects in there, and we see the graph for toolings and data. I'm just naming off the bigger type of platforms that they have, but it's really looking bullish for Solana, guys. I don't understand these Solana bears. They don't understand Solana. All right, so let's get into ERSDL. This is my favorite mid cap, guys. You want to know why this is my favorite mid cap? Because we've been talking about this one since early March, I believe. We're up quite a lot. I've been holding this one since like the beginning of time, since the beginning of the year. This is one of my favorite ones because I actually found this by doing a deep dive. I found this one myself, guys. I want to congratulate myself. Did not pick this one up from anyone else. I might have been the hype caused behind this one. I heard about it in November, and I'm just kidding, guys. I probably didn't cause the hype. I was just kidding. But I found out about it in November, and I ended up buying some around January and December, and I've been holding them ever since. And they are really an amazing company, guys. They're going to be changing the banking industry with their loans, their flash loans that they're able to do, and they're going to be able to. Here, I'll just go to their website and show you guys. This is an amazing buy right here. There's no reason for them to be under. They're at 231 million fully diluted market cap. Let me go to CoinGecko because I really do see them pulling off a 20x from where they're at right now. Even Mark Cuban's invested into them, guys. He might go public about that. So they're around 250 market cap, and Mark Cuban's pretty good with DeFi, guys. That's his forte. And you don't see a lot of sell-offs with this one, guys. Look at this gradual rise, okay? Not too many sell-offs, all right? Just the dips. That's normal, but look how strong this one is, guys. Look at this movement, all right? Here's another dip on March 22nd, but it's just going to keep on going up. It really is. Wait for these dips. These dips do happen if you guys want to buy into it, but this one is not. I'm not selling this one ever, guys. This one's going to stay. This one's going to stay in my wallet for till I'm dead. So yeah, I really do like them. So your middle market DeFi solution, this is a safe one, by the way, guys, too. Very safe. And basically, you guys are going to see this one blow up because they're going to be doing things that no other crypto company has done. And in the banking and DeFi industry, this is going to be a key player. This is going to be one that is definitely going to be in this one for the long run. They have a great use case. They have a great team. They have a great white papers as well. I will probably go into them later today. I'll do like a full deep dive. I really do love them, guys. If you're not invested, this is probably one of my favorite investments that I currently own. I'm going to go over some UBX. Okay, I am still bullish on UBX, guys. Don't worry, I am bullish on UBX. This one still has the ability to probably 20 to 30x at least, guys. Look at this 54% run up. If you guys were buying the dips like I was, we love to see it. We love to see that. Yeah, look at, guys, these small caps are popping off now. Want to know why? Because these mid cap or these high caps popped off. Now these mid caps are, and now look at these small caps are going to pop off. Okay, and if you guys held through this horrid dip, if you guys held through this horrid dip, you guys will be in profit probably in the next week or two if this bull run or no dips incur between then. We're just going to need to wait and see, but I am very bullish as of now, and I have been the past couple days. I was just a little bit too early, but we didn't even like really lose any money, guys, from that time on. If you guys did buy when I told you to buy, I am pretty accurate with it. I'm not going to tell you guys to buy at a wrong time, or if I think it's wrong. That's why I always say wait for dips, wait for this accumulation. But look at the volume, guys. We're currently at 7 million volume. Everyone's getting back into this. We're at 7 million volume. Everyone's taking their profits from these high caps. They're throwing them into these small caps, okay? This is what I do. This is what the whales do. This is what the smart people do. And this is what you guys need to do, okay? When you guys are up a certain amount, you guys got to take your profits, throw them into these small caps, throw them into these stable coins or Ethereum. But I really prefer these small caps. It's a little risky doing this, but you know what? It's probably going to pay out. We do like UBX quite a lot. Luna, you want me to go deep into Luna? Okay. I believe I do have a Luna. No, that's VeChain. I do have a Luna. Here it is. Here it is. Here we go. Yeah, I am extremely bullish on Luna. Here's our ecosystem. As you guys can see, look how large our ecosystem is. This is going to be a billion, or this is going to be a $5 billion a year revenue industry right here. It's going to be a $5 billion revenue industry right here. This is probably going to be $1 billion. This is probably going to be at least 500 million to $1 billion. Maybe more. Yeah, but basically the Terra Luna is extremely undervalued. Let's see where they're at right now. I know they kind of pumped down a little bit. People don't really understand how big this stuff is going to be in a few years, but it's okay. We do. Yeah, I really do see them being around $100 by the end of the year. We'll have to see, but yeah, they had a little sell-off right here when this little dip happened the other night, so nothing really much to worry about. If you guys are holding them, they're going to be going up. They're going to be going up, guys. Nothing to worry about. Don't worry about these little dips that happen, okay? It's all about the long term, all right? It's all about the long term. We are up a lot, guys. I was doing leverage trades last night, not trying to flex, guys. I kind of hit it right on. You guys got to be using bots to buy, or you guys have to have entry points if you guys are doing that. We will talk about that later in the video, but I did cash out on every single one of my leverage trades just in case there's a little dip. I did do quite a lot of longs. So now we're in the green. Now I'm reaccumulating. I'll talk about Tron. Okay, you guys want me to talk about Tron? All right, here's their DeFi and apps landscape. Okay, we got basically a great ecosystem. We got BitTorrent. You guys see BitTorrent. I know you guys like BitTorrent, but look at, they have these cross-chain capabilities with every single one of these coins. I have talked about, I believe, Tron quite a lot. I like them, and I thought they were going to 20 cents, but I had to donate 20K to charity for that event. It's okay, guys. I'm going to be donating another 20K today just because of how my leverage trades turned out. You guys got to get back to the community, and I got to be able to do that as well. I might make a video out of it, of me donating money, maybe to get some extra subs, but we'll have to see. I probably won't do that. It sounds weird. Yeah. All right, so here's our stable coins. I'm sorry for getting a little bit into off topic. We are bullish on Tron. It's a great buy right now. It's only up 5%, guys. This is going to be around 40 billion by the end of the year if everything pans out, guys. You have to understand, if Bitcoin pulls off a 3x by the end of the year, I really do see that's possible. I do not see Bitcoin going over 200K, but I see it going to at least 100K plus, at least 120K, at least 130K. We'll have to see, but all these institutions, they're buying their Bitcoin, guys, and they're putting it away. They're putting it in the old Fort Knox. They're putting it into a mountain somewhere. They're putting it into someone else's hand. They're saying, hey, hold this for 20 years. I don't want to see it. I just want to put my money into it. Good investment, you know. And that's what they're doing, guys. So be prepared for this Bitcoin price to not be able to touch below at least 50K from this little push right here. It might touch below 50K, but I really hardly doubt it. That the percent chance of that happening is too low, in my opinion. A lot of people have different opinions than I do, but you want to know what? We were right on this one, guys. We were right on this one. All right, let's go. XRP's up. XRP's up. All right, are we happy about that? I know a lot of XRP fans are in the chat right now. A lot of you guys bought XRP because you guys were like, the lawyers are over, the lawyers are gone. And you want to know what? Yes, they are gone, and XRP does have room to grow, but they kind of got pumped up a little bit too much. People thought they were going to be making a 5 to 10x short term on XRP. They thought it was going to beat Ethereum. It's not going to happen, guys. XRP is a great company. They're a great platform, but they're not no Ethereum. Okay, they do not have 70% of all DeFi applications running through them. They do not have that. That's a very big thing that Ethereum offers, so remember that. It could go to around, I would say, 100 billion to 150 billion by the end of the year, but that's it. That's it. RSR. Okay, I'll go over RSR. I'm going to go over a list of around 30 things that I accumulated earlier this morning. I've been up, guys. I got around a 3-hour nap last night. I woke up in a pool of sweat and coins. And now I'm just trying to regroup and recuperate right now. Drinking some coffee and we're vibing, guys. So we saw the sell off with SRR. I really do see them going to $1 by the end of the year. And you look at their volume, guys. Their volume is nothing right now. It's building up. We're gonna need to watch them all day, see where they're at with this volume as they are starting to build it back up. And I really do see them going around 12 cents in the short term very quickly. I mean, this was just a few days ago. Before really everything started to spike down. I mean, this was by around the flash crash 8 days ago. Yeah, that was before the flash crash. They were around 12 cents. So a lot of people are bullish on RSR, including myself. I'm not giving you guys hopium. $1 RSR is very possible. Do a giveaway. I am doing a giveaway. If you guys want to retweet my tweet on Twitter, I'm giving away 10K banter bags, guys. You guys can retweet it. Not too many people are retweeting my tweet, guys. Literally, there's only like 200 people that are retweeting. I'm kind of mad at you guys. You guys got to hit the like button. And I'm pretty upset. Like, you think for 10K on a retweet, like I've seen the Journey Crypto dude do like 1K and he's getting like 50K retweets or whatever it is. I'm only getting 200 with 10K. All right, I'm still gonna do it, guys. Do not worry. But I'm a little disappointed in you guys. Okay, you guys gotta retweet that more and like the video more and subscribe more. Little upset. All right, we've already went over VET. We've already went over UBX. We've already went over VRA. No, we haven't. We'll go over VRA. All right, so I think VET is going to pull off around a 5x by the end of this year at the minimum. They have 14 things coming up in the next 2 to 3 months. Short term, 2x is easily possible. We got to look out for Bitcoin, though. You guys have to be looking out for Bitcoin. I stare at Bitcoin quite a lot a day. I have it on a monitor above me, and I just have it staring down at me. I have the dopamine flowing through my system every time I look up. But you guys have to be looking at Bitcoin constantly, because this is all dependent on your investments. But I do see Bitcoin holding above 52 to 53. We're going to be in good territory. All right, so we have VRA up 20% today. Like I said, people do not want to hold these. They want to get these high cap gains, guys. When these dips happen, they know money is going to be flowing into these high caps. They sell everything, and then they put their money into these high caps that are on dips. And then when the high caps go up, they take out their money out of their high caps, and they move them into mid caps, or they already have them in the mid caps, and they move them into small caps, okay? And this is what you're going to see, but you will see these take off the most. I mean, guys, look at it was at 24 cents. It's over. It's up above 50% in the past couple of probably the past 48 hours, I guess. It was at 24 cents. I mean, that's around 30%, 40%. I do see it going above 50%. By the end of the day, if it continues, because a lot of people are bullish on VRA. We have a lot of things coming out for VRA. You guys think, oh, why is he saying 10x VRA? Why is he saying 20x VRA? First of all, they have a proof of patent coming in to be able to do advertising. They're going to be able to do advertising through their LLC, or I mean through their platform, and this is going to make them at least pull off a 5 to 10x, because advertising is going to be a very great thing for a company like them to get, and the patent that they're going to be getting approved is going to be something that's going to be very big. Not a lot of people are talking about this. Not a lot of people know about this. And I have talked to a few of their devs, and I was able to talk to the CEO for a little bit in a Telegram call with a few other people. And he also said that they're trying to get a Binance listing. Imagine when VRA gets listed on Binance, you guys are going to see the rocket emojis come out out of every crevice, and we're going to see a lot of people hyping that up. All right, Oriya. Yeah, I love Oriya. I believe I've already went over. We went over Matic, guys. Let's look at the past 24 hours, guys. We got Harmony. We love Harmony. We love Matic. We love FTM. FTM super undervalued, guys. This is extremely undervalued. This one is still, I believe, a good buy. Wait for a little bit of a dip. Wait for a little bit of a reconcession with that one, and then I would hop in. I would say that with any of these guys. Even if there is a dip, even if there is a little bit of a hiccup, you guys are still going to see these pump up in the next month or 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Like I said, this dip lasted for, let's see how long this dip lasted for. We're still positive, by the way. If we compare this month to last month, we are looking good, guys. We're still up. Okay, how long did this dip last for, you might ask? Let's check out. Okay, let's check this out just to get some insight. All right, so we had this dip. I need to put this in the daily thing so we can see how many bars we got. All right, yeah, you guys got to chill out about these dips. I know some of you guys are early, some of you guys are new, but look at this daily candlestick, guys. Look at this daily candlestick. This is looking good. This kind of looks like this candlestick over here. Which one? So I'm gonna say someone pointed this out. Yeah, this one right here, we had a little bit of it kind of looks like that, but I don't know. All right, I'm not gonna try and do some TA that is on Bitcoin right now. You guys cannot do technical analysis too accurately. I'm gonna talk about this again because a lot of people are new here. Please like and subscribe. But technical analysis is not the most it's not 100% effective with Bitcoin, especially because it's Bitcoin is not meant to be traded off of technical analysis. It's really news and information that affects the price 70% of the time or 80% of the time. A lot of these people that are doing technical analysis predictions haven't been too successful with just basing it off of that, off of the past, because we do have a lot more adoption. We have a lot more retail investors holding the line toe-toe. And we do love it, guys. We do love the retail investors holding the line for us. But this dip lasted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It lasted around 10 days, guys. This is kind of a little bit, I would say, average one, because we did have a 18-day dip. So this one wasn't as bad, and we are breaking out. We could have a double dip, but like I said, I don't see that happening, guys. I don't see that happening. I do see a little bit of a run. Once we get a green stick, guys, once we get this green candlestick, right? Every time we've gotten a green candlestick, we've had at least a run up for the past week or 2 weeks, okay? I want to let you guys know that the next week or two, based off of a technical analysis and the past, we have this year, we have a 100% chance of us being bullish for the next couple weeks. And that's why I'm so bullish this week, because I have looked at that and I have based my opinions off of that. XLM is bullish, guys. XLM is bullish. They went down a lot, guys. They went down quite a lot. We'll go check out XLM. I believe they had like a 50% sell-off, possibly. It's just their fully diluted market cap, guys. They're already at 23 billion, man. How much higher can they go? That's my problem with them, guys. That's my problem. All right, but yeah, because there's a lot of companies, in my opinion, that have a smaller market cap. They have a smaller, fully diluted market cap, and they're not doing more than XLM, but yet again, they're going to be growing more. I mean, I want to be invested into good projects, but I want to be invested into projects more specifically that will grow more. And that has to be your goal in crypto, is to find projects that are undervalued, to find projects that are going to grow in the short term. All right, and I do see them growing, maybe a 2x by the end of the year, maybe a 3x. I could be completely wrong, but I do think they're undervalued just because they're so closely tied to Solana. All right, I'll go over Polkadot. We'll go over some Polkadot. All right, so Polkadot's extremely undervalued in my opinion compared to what people think. So here is Polkadot, right? You guys can compare them to basically Ethereum, and I don't know. I think I have another one. That one's kind of good in my opinion. I do like the cross-chain capabilities. Ethereum, nope. But proof size is going to be big. Setup free, gas cost low with Polkadot. This is Raise network, by the way, guys. That's why I'm bullish on Raise. But yeah, I do like exactly Polkadot's cross-chain capabilities and their parachain capabilities as well. If you guys aren't familiar with parachain, I've talked about them quite a lot. They're a very, very important thing for you guys to understand, and that's going to be big in the future. All right, so I've went over VeChain quite a lot. Yes, I know. I am still bullish on VeChain. Oh, BPro. Didn't BPro pump up a little bit? Okay. Let's go to BPro. believe BPRO is probably going to be pumping right now. So will every single small cap with potential. Let's see. It's up 4% today. It's not at 21 million market cap, guys. Those are lies. I could see BPRO getting a little bit more bullish these next few months. I mean, look at this dip, guys. Look at this dip. All right, look at this dip. This is a great dip to buy in on if you guys are bullish. They did have a scam accusation. That's why you guys saw this huge downwards momentum. A lot of downwards momentum. This is probably a great time to start accumulating if you guys want some BPRO in the sack. Yeah, but I'm gonna go over some things that I bought today. I bought some more ERSDL today, guys. Even at the price it is right now. I bought some more actually last night with Mark Cuban's support, with everyone else's support. Just knowing the company ERSDL, I'll pull it up for anyone who's new. You guys gotta subscribe so you guys get these gems right here. This is an absolute gem, guys. Look at this upward momentum. There's nothing stopping it, guys. There's nothing stopping it, right? There's dips, there's spikes, but its use case is just so strong. It's in the DeFi and banking industry, guys. If you do not have this one, this is a long-term hodl. It's going to be at least a 20x, guys. And I really do like where things are headed with that. But yeah, I would say that's probably one of my favorite buys, even though it's up 16%. Wait for a dip, wait for a reaccumulation zone. Jupiter, let's see what Jupiter's doing. I am bullish in Jupiter. This is a very small cap, guys. This is one that you guys might find in a cave or something. Yeah, it's at 6 million still. I mean, you guys just gotta wait for more information. I don't want to go over it too much, but I am bullish. We just have to wait. I drink black coffee. I'm not sure what type. Well, actually, I do have espresso and stuff, but we're not gonna get too deep into that. I would like to know the answer as well. I bought in the dip that took place last week, Sunday. Yeah. Wait, what do you mean? I'm not sure what you're referring to. Yeah, there's multiple dips, guys. There's always gonna be multiple dips, okay? And even if you bought in earlier, that's why you guys always have to keep more money. 2 million. I'm not sure what this one is. They don't have too much of a 227 BNB users donated charity. This is a charity one. All right, the thing with charity, guys, you guys gotta understand the happy ones and the other charity organizations. Why wouldn't they make it legal? Why does it have to be a charity through crypto? Why can't this charity just accept crypto and be on paper and regulated? Because a lot of these crypto charities are making a lot of money off of people just donating. I know other charities are doing that, but it's very, very unhealthy and not right, in my opinion, to have these crypto charities, because a lot of them are pulling scams. A lot of them are playing off your guys' emotions with these charity events, and it's not too good, guys. I've seen a lot of scams with charity events in 2017, by the way. So this is a reoccurring thing that has happened. And I'm not going to get into these 2017 scams, but I do see a lot of 2017 scams coming back up. When there's a bull market, there's going to be scammers. When there's a bull market, there's going to be people making money off of people's hope. It happens all the time. He's talking about one. Okay, yeah, I've talked about one. All right, we'll go over one again, guys. If you guys are not invested into one, you might not watch this channel too much, but that's why you got to subscribe. We really do like Harmony, guys. This is a Harmony loving channel. They're very undervalued. Their transaction speeds and time is something that is unparalleled to other companies. And look how much their transactions have went up in the past the past year or the past couple months. Look at the parabolic-ness we see on their transactions. Want to know why? Because they have the lowest transactions and the lowest fees of transactions and the fastest transactions times. Okay, this is why I'm so bullish on one. They work very, very hard, guys. They're a very, very hardworking company. Do not work hard on marketing. Very bullish on one. Go over bird. All right, but if you guys really, there's a lot of birds right here. I'm not sure which one it is. Probably a low market cap one. Let's see, oracles. Nothing. If it's not in the Solana or another ecosystem's oracles, I'm not the biggest proponent, just because I see those being the most powered off-chain oracle analytics to provide on-chain data with trust. Yeah, we'll have to see about this one. I mean, let's look at their graph. I mean, they did reconsolidate, I guess you could say. They do have quite a lot of volume. I'm gonna write them down and look into them later. They don't look too bad, guys. That actually looks like a pretty good company, to be honest. For a 14 million market cap. All right. Yeah, we could go over sell. I am bullish on sell. But basically, my main buys were AR, 1, FTM, Waves, Matic, ERSDL, Sol, Rune, AVAX, ZCX, SRM, and SXP. Also bought some more Luna, HTR, IGG, and VISR, SOV, and ORIAI, Oriya. A lot of buys. Sorry to throw all those at you guys at once. Oh, and I bought Cardi Chain. I'll go over them real quick. I am bullish on Cardi Chain, guys. Have been. Feel like they're very undervalued. I mean, I see them reconsolidating, breaking all-time highs very easily. They really did pop off in volume, as you guys can see here. Their volume is a little stagnant, but it's going to pop off, guys. We're just waiting to see if Bitcoin will push even more. People don't believe their eyes when they see Bitcoin up 7% in the past few days. That's the problem. What do I think about Ethereum? Well, I always tell people the past couple days, or I guess last week, I started to tell you guys, put your money into Ethereum. If you guys are holding stable coins, you got to be holding Ethereum, okay? Instead of stable coins, put your money into Ethereum. You guys will be actually making money off your stable coins, if you want to put it that way. Ethereum is looking very bullish right now. I do not see a 2,000 Ethereum ever happening again. This is the last time we're going to see even close to $2,000 Ethereum. I'm not going to give any crazy price predictions, but I do see 3K in the short term very feasible, very possible. It's just going to be very hard for people to understand that Ethereum is going to be very difficult for it to get to around 6 to 10K, okay? A lot of people are like 30K ETH, but you don't realize that is a massive market cap. That is a massive market cap that is unfeasible right now. That's not happening. I'll tell you that right now. 10K Ethereum is going to be extremely hard to happen right now, and I do not see that happening until maybe next year, later next year. We'll have to see though, but I don't know. These people pump hopium in your minds, guys. I've been doing this for 5 years, probably around 80 to 100 hours a week, every single week, and that's a little ridiculous. Yeah, Chainlink's good too. All right, I'll go over Hollow. We'll find Hollow. So Hollow's kind of like AR, but AR has a lot of more customers than Hollow. I do see Hollow growing as well, but they're not in the news. They're not getting a lot of heat and pickup like AR is, but I do see them growing as well. I'm actually might put a buy order on them just because I bought so much AR or Arweave. I definitely want to get some Hollow as well. So yeah, they're down 22%. Expect them to go up if you're a Hollow holder. I really do see them going up. Yeah, they're a great asset to hold, guys. Great asset to hold. All right. Uniswap V3 is coming out in 2.5 weeks. Price is probably going to keep on going up for Uniswap. When something's coming out, they released it this soon. I knew about it the past month, and I've talked about it. So their price ever since this has been released, it's just slowly going up, guys. And by the time we get to the release date, you guys are going to see the sell-off, okay? This is what happens when news gets released, and this is what happens when they release it before and then the news actually comes. You've seen this with ADA, you've seen this with NKN, you've seen this with Engine Coin, you've seen this with every single other Coinbase Pro listing. But like I said, I love Uniswap. Uniswap is solving a lot of problems. Great thing to hold. Get ready to sell them in the next 2 weeks if you guys want to. I mean, you guys could hold them. I'm not telling you to sell them, but it wouldn't be the worst idea. I'll go over exit strategies in this video. I go over them basically every video because people want to know how. Split, ShopX. We'll go over Band first, and I'll go over that. Very bullish on Band. This is in the Solana ecosystem or Cosmos ecosystem. Whoops, as well. And it actually, wait, what is it? Yeah, it's in both. This is it, Solana and Cosmos. I thought I was tripping a little bit, but yeah, they are very great in the DeFi industry. They're going to be making quite a lot of money over the next year or two, and I do see that affecting their price. I believe I might have a graph open that really shows them exactly. I don't have it. Yeah, but I am bullish on them. They are going to probably be around $40 to $50 in the next 3 to 4 months. We just need hype to pick up. They were trending for a little bit, so that's why you guys probably see a large sell-off with that. Not a lot of people hold these trending coins for too long. You normally see sell-offs after the trending is over, which happens with everything. And I'll go over ShopX. If you guys do not know what ShopX is, it's extremely undervalued right now. They're waiting to come out with quite a lot of information. They're around $1 right now. They're going to be at least $10 in the short term in the next 5 to 6 months. I do see them probably next year being around 30 to 60. I did say they were going to be 30 to 60 by the end of this year, but not a lot of people are wanting to hold them that long, guys. They're going to be in the NFT industry, but they're not going to be in the NFT industry like you think. They're going to be in an actual NFT industry that has a use case that no one else is in, and they're going to be adding NFTs to a lot of items as well. Very bullish on that just because no one's doing that, and it has use case, it has utility, guys. It's a great long-term hold. It's a great long-term hold. I own a lot of ShopX. I'm just holding them until that ship sails. Ocean, very bullish on Ocean. They're going to be in the Web 3.0 industry, guys. If you guys do not know what Web 3.0 is, that's going to be a large industry. I do see them being very successful next year and the year after that. You guys are going to see Ocean above $10, very long term, but short term. If you guys know what I mean, it's not going to be that long. Yeah, you guys always got to be holding long term. These profits don't come every single day. Today is just an amazing day for us in crypto, but this isn't how it's like every day. You guys got to understand that. You guys got to be taking profits when you get them and moving them around. That's how you're going to make the most money you can. You're super legit. Some of us bought one on the dip, but I told you at 40% you should have held it. But I was told at 40% you should have held it. Not sure. Yeah, I told you guys to buy one. There was no reason one should be down that much. But yeah, I know my calls are super legit, guys, because I do this longer than anyone else does this on YouTube. Not trying to cap. That's why you guys have to sub. That's why you guys gotta like the video. But yeah. If you do this long enough and you talk to enough people in your network enough, you guys will be very successful in crypto. I'm just sharing what I do. And yeah, I kind of do this a lot, guys. I probably do this too much, but you know what? This bull market's only in the last 5 to 10 years, in my opinion. But yeah, only 5 to 10 more years of doing this, guys. Then I'll post one video a day. Maybe then. But yeah, like I said, look at this green day, guys. Look at this green day. Nothing's in the red. Nothing's in the red. Barely anything. We got Dogecoin in the red. RIP Doge. Yeah, there's a lot of idiots, guys. Do not invest in Dogecoin. I know I might have offended you guys with some of that with that comment. I'm sorry. We'll go over Zero. I'm very bullish on Zero. I've talked to the CEO. I've talked to their devs. Very bullish on Zero, guys. Very bullish on Zero. It's going to be a SEX and a DEX at the same time. This is going to be a 20X at least, guys. At least. But yeah, the volume's picking up on Zero, guys. Picking up on Zero, up 40%. People are moving their profits. How many times do I have to say that this happens, guys? When we see these profits, people are moving them, okay? And yeah, you guys got to get in on these high caps and move them over, and then you're going to see these start to pick up. People do not want to hold these small caps through the turbulence, okay? The turbulence of the dips. But you guys will see these as long as the bull run lasts. As long as this little bull run lasts, is going to be as long as it's going to keep on going up, guys. It can only go up so high, and then there's going to be a little dips, and then people are going to sell off, or people are going to be taking profits. There's only so many reasons to explain dips, guys. It's not too complicated to explain or know. So yeah, I very like Zero. Yeah. Okay, we'll go over Luxo. I do see Luxo being very bullish. I haven't talked about them too much, but they are one of these collectibles and NFTs. But they do have quite a lot of hype around them. They're around 1.3 billion or 1.1 billion fully diluted. I have talked about them a little bit. I used to own some. I have sold some in the past. I just feel like they can hype their way up there, but I'm not the most bullish individual on anything in the NFT collectibles industry right now. I mean, guys, look at this sell-off hype peak. Look at the hype peak. And I guess I know there was little bear markets in between here, but I do not see this breaking all-time highs. We'll need to see, though. It is up 24% today. That's a great thing to see if you guys are holding them. Best altcoin to invest in if you had to choose one. ERSDL. I mean, I don't normally say the best altcoin because there's going to be many. That's just a great long-term hold, okay? can't get much better than a DeFi banking system that's going to be implemented throughout the world, and no one else is doing it like them. I'll just throw them up on the screen and then answer some more of your guys' questions. I just answer questions over and over and over. They're the same questions, but you know what? Moon Pirate. All right, guys, we're not talking about meme coins. No, Ami. I do like Ami. They just got hyped. They're a little bit overhyped right now just because of a lot of YouTubers, a lot of media coverage has gotten them. They were trending for quite a while. That's why you see the sell-off, and they're probably reaccumulating right now. I'll look into them. I did sell the majority of my Ami. I might still own a little bit. I'll need to check. It's probably a bad thing that I don't know if I own any or not. I need to probably check. Yeah, I'm waiting for Bitcoin to get to 54, if any of you guys are wondering. I will be doing a little bit of trades and buys right now. So if I am a little bit weird right now, I just haven't looked over it in a while. So, all right, here we go. Oh, yeah, it's up 8%. I would expect it to be up more, but there's not too much confidence in this project right now. Anything that's not up a significant amount after these dips, because I know this had a large dip. For it not to be up more than 8% is probably not the best sign to tell. They do have almost a 5 billion fully diluted market cap, and their use case isn't as much as I anticipated. I feel like they're not going to be that large in the collectibles and NFTs. But like I said, I think a lot of those collectibles and NFTs, you guys are going to need to hold them for 2 to 3 years, maybe even longer than that. If you guys want to get 10 to 20x's, especially, I mean, I don't know, but I'm just saying they're undervalued. I hate to be a bear about it. I'm not the most bearish guy ever, but those things I can't lie about. All right. You'll probably be fine in the next, it'll probably 2x probably by the end of the year in Ami. Okay, probably 2 to 3x. We'll have to see. Chain IDO, I do like that. All right, I do like that. We'll go over sell. I am very bullish on sell. We saw this sell off with sell over this dip, right? We saw this sell off. I did get the IDO allocation. I did sell them on the IDO. So did basically everyone who was in the IDO. If you don't sell these IDOs in the beginning, guys, it's not worth it, because only with projects you really have faith in, like Crowny. Thank you, BitBoy, for pumping up my IDO bags on Crowny. And I'm pretty sure BitBoy definitely has IDO bags on Crowny. So you guys are gonna see me and him hit the dump on his fans. Sorry. Yeah, but I do like sell. Okay, I do like sell. They're a great long-term hold. A lot of these IDOs, just hold them long-term, man. It's only at 86 million fully diluted market cap. Why isn't this at $1 billion yet? I mean, why not? Why is it not? Just because they're a little bit new. They're a little bit new. Quantum scaling resistance, it's going to be big, and sharding. Here, I need to turn on the AC, guys. I'm dying right here. I'm dying right now. I'm in. We're back. Yeah, guys, if you guys don't know, I went to my local my local park, and I stole a picnic napkin, or a picnic mat, and I just put it on as a shirt. All right, so we're gonna get back into Bitcoin. A lot of you guys are talking about a lot of poop coins, and it's kind of angering me a little bit. But all right, so we have built up past this little support line that I have drawn, and we are approaching the 53 territory. All we need to do is stay above 53, 52, 51. You guys are going to see these altcoins still pump up. We have seen these altcoins, okay? We've seen these altcoins go up 30%, go up 30, 40% when Bitcoin just went up 1%. Okay, we do not see that. We do not see that ever, okay? This is something that is I've never seen in crypto. I've never seen this happen ever. And it's just because of the new crypto the new crypto economy, I guess you could say, that we're in. There's a lot of new money in here now. There's a lot of crypto adoption going on. It's crazy, crazy. What are where do you see Bitcoin Cash? I see it going up. There's no reason why it shouldn't. I remember when it was at like $20 or $30, and it keeps going up. And there's really, I feel like there's no reason for it to not be going up, I guess. I mean, it's been out for quite a while, guys. But look at this sell off in 2017. I do see something happening like this again. Once we reach a certain point. Yeah, the bear market is real. Not a lot of people will talk about it. I will. It's going to happen at some point. We're going to see a bear market. But these Bitcoin holders, these Bitcoin retail investors are supporting us. They are holding the line. So that's a great thing to see. And hey, guys, look at Ethereum's back over Bitcoin right now. I kind of knew this was going to happen. We are in altcoin season. I highly doubt that Ethereum is not going to outperform Bitcoin today, even though Bitcoin's up 6%. Antimatter. Yeah, I'll go over antimatter. I really do see them pumping up, especially during this little run that we have. There's really no reason for them to be under $10. They should be at $10, guys. I don't get it. I don't understand. But you know what? Sometimes that's how life goes. But yeah, I'm very bullish on them. DeFi, DEX, I guess you could say, with the apps as well. They have a lot of stuff going for them. They just need better marketing, and a lot of people that I know really enjoy what they're going to offer in the next 6 months to a year. So definitely a good thing to buy. I might pick some up today, actually. You guys have to understand, Save Planet Earth, that meme coin, you guys are going to get a little salty when I tell you this, but it's the truth. Why couldn't they do this through a regular company? Or are they already doing this through a regular company? Why do they need a crypto to do this? This is someone's making a lot of money off of just making a charity through crypto. There's already one out, okay? There's no reason to make one through crypto. There's no reason. It's just either a scam or a Ponzi scheme or something along those lines. We've seen this happen in 2017. This happened all the time in 2017. People were throwing their money into it. You guys are going to see it happen again. Yeah. All right, I'll look at it, man. I'll look at it. We're saving planet Earth, guys. Yeah, look at this. Yeah. Don't buy into these guys if you guys are smarter than that. Cardano. I am bullish on Cardano. If you're not bullish on Cardano, you are misinformed. I do make fun of Cardano quite a lot, and that's just fun and jokes. They are a great company. They are changing the world. It's just that there's going to be a lot of other companies that are going to outperform their growth for the next year. A lot of them are. All right, they're already at 55 billion fully diluted market cap, and they need to come out with more things. They need to come out with more revenue. Okay, all of their projects that they've come out with so far, like 80% of them are not done yet. 80% of them are not in the works right now, and their price is going to be factored in with the price of with the price of the news that they released. When people see news, they buy. When Cardano releases news and they're not actually releasing a product, people will still buy, and that's going to be factored into their price. I do not see them pulling off more than a 2 to 3x by the end of the year, and that's going to be a very high fully diluted market cap even then. A lot of things that are going to outperform Cardano, and that's a fact. It's a great company though. I do love them. Cake, yeah, we are bullish on Cake, guys. We have been bullish on Cake, up 42% in the past week through these dips. I'm not sure when we had you guys buy this. I'm definitely going to be doing some more buys and sells probably tomorrow, because I know you guys are up on Cake. I did Cake, Luna, Sol. And I believe, what else did I tell you guys to buy? Put it down in the description. I kind of forget. But I told you guys to buy those a few days ago, but I'll probably have you guys sell them in a few days, and we'll get into some other things that are pumping with those. I'm gonna do like a whole BNB series of you guys buying and selling, and help you guys build up some profits. So yeah, Harmony had a little bit of a sell-off. We see it down 6% from the 40%. Not too big of a deal. What else do we have pumping? KSM as well. AAVE, bullish on AAVE. They're a great company, guys. They're going to be implemented into quite a lot of things. What a great day, guys. What a great day. We've had pain. We went through struggle. And now we're seeing some trial and tribulation right now. Oh, Elrond. A lot of you guys love Elrond. I do too. It's just I don't see them being as bullish as some other companies that I talk about. They are going to be a great company in the future. Probably around 25 billion fully diluted market cap in the next year or two is definitely a possibility. So around an 800 Elrond. Do you stake ERSDL? Yes. What is the best coin to buy today? I really can't answer that. There's really no best coin to buy today. There is a lot of good coins to buy the past few days. That's why you guys got to subscribe and like, because I've went over basically every single coin to buy. We had like a 10-hour live stream a few times, and we've seen a lot of growth. We've seen a lot of great stuff happening. All right, so that's why you guys got to subscribe and like the video. But like I said, we like I would say our top 10 in this category. The one that I see growing in the top 10 that I'm pretty sure all of you guys can buy is probably going to be Polkadot. I see Polkadot pulling off the most growth as of today in the top 10, just because of their ecosystem and what they offer. And they have a lot of stuff that's already implemented. They have a lot of stuff that's already out. And they're whenever they work on something, they're not going to release it before it's before it's finished. They're going to finish it and then release it. VeChain. Okay, I'll go over VeChain. I've already went over their ecosystem, I believe, 3 or 4 times this episode. Where is it? Let's go over VeChain. I might not have pulled it up yet, but yeah, VeChain is an absolute gem, guys. Even where it is right now, they have 1,200 plus and enterprises in their pipeline. They have 300 plus proof of concept clients, 70 plus live products or projects. If you guys do not see this with any other company as of right now, just saying, VeChain's different. VeChain's built different. Very bullish on VeChain. Very great hold for any of you guys that are interested in that. Scalpers, please explain. So Dent or yeah, I do like Dent. They're in yeah. All right, I've talked about Dent multiple times. Talked about a lot of stuff multiple times, guys. It's okay. A lot of you guys are new. All right, so let's go. The best DeFi projects today. We have STRK Strike. They're up 44%. Serum up 41%. FTM, like them. I haven't really heard much of Strike. It's their volume. This one was pumped up. It's only at 30. It was at 40,000. I'm not gonna really talk about that. Could be a little pump and dump, a little scheme going on. We'll have to see. Genesis Shard. I do have IDO allocations on them. I'm probably gonna be selling them fairly quickly. I might sell them right now. Actually, they're up 68% right now. Yeah. Not sure why. Not sure why that happened. Did not know that. Harmony, please speak about Harmony. Fastest transaction times, lowest transaction cost, bullish, undervalued, bad marketing, bullish. Let me go through probably, yeah. You underestimate on me, my friend. Okay, well, you underestimate a lot of these other projects, my friend. All right, I'll go through BitTorrent. BitTorrent had a 40% dip. If you guys caught them on their 40% dip, you guys would be up around 50% right now. It was less, or they had a 40% 24-hour dip during one of the crashes. So that is a very, very large dip to see, especially with a company like theirs. And they bounced back very, very quickly. You guys are going to see BitTorrent. You guys are going to see Hot or Hollow, and you guys are going to see AR or Weave pulling off a couple of 3 to 4x's very quickly. I'm bullish on them, but I think BTT is going to be the less gaining out of those 3 that I mentioned, just because it's already pumped up quite a lot. I'll go through IGG. I really do like IGG. All right, we got IGG is in the e-competitive gaming scene. I really would compare them to a gem, a very great gem. I have been talking about them for a little bit. You guys got to be careful though. I mean, I do have a pretty big bag into them. I do have a lot of faith into IGG, the social competitive gaming galaxy, and they really are looking good, guys. They really are. I'm not gonna get too deep into that, but I already have. All right. Let me talk about some more things that you guys need to be looking at. Let me show you guys this just to show you why you guys need to be buying on these dips. So if we go back to April 20th, look how much every single one of these Solana projects are down. We got 12, 13, 14%, and all these went down below 20%, guys. All these were down below 20%, and they have all came back up. So that's the thing you guys have to realize, is these dips are very important. You guys have to be prepared for dips like this, and you guys will make more profits if you're prepared for them. Let's go over Polkadot's ecosystem. This is why I'm very bullish on Polkadot, guys. They also have a great tokenomics that they offer to any of their parachains as well. I do like that. That's why I do a lot of these Polkadot IDOs, because their tokenomics, they'll lock tokens for up to 2 years, which is great. And all the companies that are in Polkadot are very high use case. They do have great things going on for them. And I'm invested into a lot of these projects that you guys will see on here: Compound, Refinance, Raise Network, Fala Network, Polka, yeah, Ocean Protocol. I got allocations in that. Clover, Plaz, Chainlink. Yeah, I'm invested into quite a lot of these projects, but I do like the Polkadot ecosystem. Very undervalued. I guess I could go through Binance Smart Chains ecosystem as well. I have this one pulled up. So we see PancakeSwap. This is probably one of my favorite ones, just because of how undervalued it is, and we've seen that run up. A lot of people use PancakeSwap. It's grown in users up to 4x over the past like 4 or 5 months. Imagine that, 4x in users in 4 to 5 months. Imagine what it's going to do in another 4 to 5 months. That'll be very big, guys, very big. And Band Protocol, Chainlink. We see a lot of good companies on BMC's ecosystem, and this all relates back, guys. This all relates. Yeah, I could go over AVAX, I guess. I could go over AVAX. Avalanche. There's an IDO that I'm participating in that's through AVAX that I'm very bullish on. I am bullish on AVAX, but their fully diluted market cap is around 20 billion almost. That's a problem with you that you guys need to understand. Fully diluted market cap is going to limit a company to only growing so much. People do not want to hold something long term, or they don't want to be pumping something up that high. Fully diluted market cap basically means if all the tokens were released, that's how much the company's market cap would have to be for it to be that price. So you guys really have to be careful with that. You see this bring down a lot of companies, and I am bullish on the AVAX ecosystem, but not specifically the main AVAX. They are up 11% off of this dip, though. Let me do this trade real quick. All right. Okay, let's go back into the live. There we go. Talk about Allah. All right, we'll go through XRP again. I've already went through. They're up 15% today, but they got pumped up because of the lawyer news, and you're seeing that correlate back on their price, guys. You're seeing that correlate back on the drop that they had. They had one of the largest drops in the top 10 because of their pumping from the news. They are going to be worth around 100 to 150 billion by the end of the year, but they definitely were not going to be worth 200 to 300 billion, which they probably would have if they held that price. And it's because a lot of people bought into them when they heard about the news of the court case or whatever. They thought they got into it early, but that wasn't the case. I wouldn't say there's that many good buys right now. I mean, you guys are probably looking at buying into small caps or mid caps right now, but on the big caps, I would say maybe add some more to projects that you're already familiar with and that you like. I would be adding to VeChain, to Solana, to Link. I mean, these are just basic coins. If you guys are up a significant amount on your small caps, definitely. Oh, Luna is definitely going to be one that I'm bullish on. I have been bullish on Luna. $100 Luna is definitely coming. They're not too pumped up today, but I expect them to be. Cake as well. Cake's up a lot, guys. But yeah, the more Bitcoin pushes, the more bullish I would be on these alts taking off. That's just what's gonna happen. But yeah, we just gotta really wait and see for Bitcoin. But I do see them being able to push. Even if Bitcoin goes up a little bit, we're going to see everything push. Bitcoin hits 54, 55. We're just going to see everything go up 20 or 30% each time Bitcoin moves to another level above this. Yeah, XRP is pumping hard, but 60 and 400 scalpers fighting it hard. Yeah, that's the problem with XRP. It's leverage traded quite a lot, guys. It is. I mean, a lot of Bitcoin and Ethereum and XRP, BNB, the top 10 coins basically are going to be leverage traded so much. Crypto's the most leverage traded asset in the world, even though its market cap is nothing near the biggest market cap in the world. People love to leverage trade crypto. It's just how it is, guys. It's been happening for a while. It's a lot easier to leverage trade crypto than it is other assets, or to have access to leverage trade it. So. All right, we'll go over 1 inch. Yeah, 1 inch's DEX I'm bullish on. They did get the Coinbase Pro listing, is probably why they dipped so hard, but they are up 8%. I mean, I am bullish on them over the long term. We're gonna need to really see. Okay, we're gonna need to really see on 1 inch, but I am bullish on them. I do like 1 inch's DEX through BMC and what their capabilities are going to be able to hold. They do have a lot of information, a lot of news coming out in the third and the fourth quarter. So I do think around a $10 to $15, maybe even $20 1 inch is possible by then. SKL released the mainnet launch of Denial. All right, we'll check out SKL's price. Probably extreme. 340 million. They're up 8%. It's not affecting their price, but then we'll need to look into Denial. Yeah, but I didn't hear about that. I'm not big into scale network, I guess you can say. They pulled off around a 4x since the beginning of this year, which you guys have seen a lot of things do. 4x's this year are really nothing, guys. They're really nothing. It's probably not on probably not. Yeah. Whatever. All right, so let me scroll back down. DPR, I am bullish on DPR. On Deeper Network, I'll go over them a little bit. All right. Yeah, DPR is at all-time lows almost. I mean, guys, look at what they did off their IDO. You guys do not see things pull off a 2 to 3x off IDO. We've only seen that happen a couple times this year, and that's only going to happen if a company is really good. So you guys can tell exactly what their capabilities are. I do see them breaking all-time highs. From that little push up. It did have a lot of hype around it. It is in the Polkadot ecosystem, and their circulating supply, as you guys can see, is 2%, but Polkadot's holding around 30% for over 2 years, or around 2 years. So that's not really that big of a volume. Volume's down 45%. I would say this could be a good long-term hold, but definitely there's going to be other stuff that's going to be good in the short term, for sure on that one. I really do. Yeah, I do like DPR though. I did get it. Yeah, I did. Yeah, IDO allocation on DPR was really good. I sold most of mine though before that pump. I didn't expect that to happen. No, nor did really anyone. All right, there we go. Sayato, they're gonna be a great IDO. So I'm just gonna go over really a little update. So we're waiting for Bitcoin to show a push from either 52 or to either 54 and hold. A lot of things are still going to continue to pump up right now. A lot of money is moving around. A lot of money was moved out of Tether and out of USDC, out of stable coins over the past few days. And the past hours, it was as large as it was the push out from UDST to USDC. The push out was the largest it's been over the past 2 or 3 days. So that's great to see. You guys got to pay attention to that as well. Look at Tether's down, but it is up on the week. You want me to talk about Tone? I believe Tone's an NFT like food company. Pretty sure yeah, they might be they're going to be tracking types of food with QR codes. They've done this in China, and they're doing it now in other countries, but it's been successful in China. I do see it being big. But we'll need to see. We'll need to see. You could like track food from wherever it came from. It's a pretty cool idea. What do you think about the new project Refinable? Refinable is going to need some work, guys. It's pumped up by Mr. Beast, and he's really needing to get connections with celebrities to release great things through that. But yeah, I am bullish on Refinable, guys. I am, but that's just if you get IDO allocations or the next 3 months after. They're really going to need to pull off something big. But yeah, NFT companies are going to be really hard to compete with as of right now. But all you need is hype, and Mr. Beast brings the hype, guys. All right, I'm gonna stream later, guys. I'm gonna take a little break right now, and I'll be on later, and we'll go through some more buys. I'm just very busy at the moment, and I hope you guys like the video. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button, and I'm gonna be streaming later, so you guys have a good rest of your day. We're gonna make some gains.